Hello, welcome to our engineering webinar. West Island School really tries to ensure that every student is the best that they can be. We want our students to be global citizens, to help others, to commit to service, as well as to committing to improve their own learning. Our students are responsible global citizens. We have a diverse community, multinational community, multilingual community, over 38 different nationalities in the school. Our students are caring and compassionate. Service is a big part of our extracurricular programme. They are critical thinkers and they are drivers of change and leaders of the future. So why study your post-16 course with us? We've got lots of different pathways at West Island School that are tailored to individual student strengths, and the engineering pathway is just one example of that. All of our students that do the engineering courses are placed at leading universities worldwide, and we have a most competitive university pathway for those students that are aiming for places like Oxbridge. We also have fantastic pastoral care. Every student in the upper school has a tutor group that they check in with once a morning. We have a holistic approach, which is a CAS program that is creativity, activity and service. And all of our students in the school, irrespective of what program they're following, will follow the CAS program. We've got many leadership opportunities and a really experienced pastoral team to look after the welfare of your son or daughter. Students following the engineering pathway will be taking this right-hand side to university. So it will either be as part of a career-related programme with the IB, or if they're doing the extended engineering diploma, then all of those qualifications will come from the BTEC route. At the school, we've got over 60 different subject choices. For engineering, most of our students will choose the BTEC engineering pathway and then complement that with subjects from our maths and science programme. And as you can see, we've got lots and lots of variety here. And I'm going to hand over to Emily Buckland, who is going to talk to you about the engineering pathway specifically.